Right, this is going to be a new kit. By the time you see this video, it'll most probably be in my Etsy shop. Okay, I've done this ages ago and I really enjoyed it because I used my own painted backgrounds and I placed, you know, an overlay on the top of all the numbers and everything. And honestly, for collage work and, you know, art journaling, it's great fun. Yeah, so there will be a minute, I've just, oh yeah, these will be what I've done so far. It's all the same image, the top image is the same, but it's all different numbers and letters. Right, and I also got two plain sheets, I think. Did I give you the original as well? I can't remember. I just changed the colours on them. Yeah, which I thought looked really great. Anyway, there's quite a few in the kit. It's going to be very reasonable because, you know, I just think it's a little something for you to play with. I'm going to be playing with it in my art journal. All right, so I'll just show you what's in it. So that's that one. If I can find the main page here before I altered it, I'll include that as well. I don't think I've got it printed here. Right, and there's that one there, and that's like the pink version. So I changed the colour a bit and I had the text white. A different look. That's sort of like minty green and teal, pinks, a little bit of purple up here. That worked really well actually. That's that one. And there's blues. There's blue, bit of pink, bit of green and pink up there, and a tiny bit of yellow here. I'm not sure whether the computer's picking it up. And there's that one, the black. So similar, but then I've done it black. Yeah, and that one there. Okay, you do get a plain sheet. Okay, so great if you want to print it on your coffee stain paper, or you print it on tissue paper, which I have done. There's another pink one. I might have doubled up on these, have I? No, that's right. Pink there. And then that's a plain pink one, plain blue one, and plain sort of yellowy, whatever. That might be a double up. All right, I'll have a look. There. Okay, so we just need the main page, don't we? A plain one of that one to go in the kit. So I'll do that and add that to the kit as well. Right, so that's the plain white page. All right, and then this is me printing it onto, sorry, I did put it the wrong way up in my computer, as you do. This is printed on my inkjet. All right, I haven't done it on my laser. I just tape it top there and bottom there. You lose a bit, but you know, whatever. I always shrink it down a bit and then it won't matter. And then I cut the tissue paper. This is very thin, this one. Okay, tissue paper. Make sure it's no bigger. If anything, it's better if it's slightly smaller than the card, okay? And then when you put it on, you must make sure it's nice and flat. So do one end, right, and then smooth it out and then put the other end on. Okay, and what you have to watch to make sure this end here nice and flush for when it goes in. Yeah, I've just taped it. Yeah, and I actually will use this tape when I take it off. Yeah, but I want to keep it on there to protect it until I use it because it's so fine it will rip. Okay, so we'll be playing with that, and I've left it a couple of days because I wouldn't use it straight away, not with an inkjet, because as you know, it's not permanent. I haven't tried this on my laser yet. All right, but if you're lucky enough to have a printer with permanent ink, then great. The other way I thought about was reversing the image. So you'd print on this side, and then when you used it, you would actually be gluing the other side, and then it would be the right way. That was my only sort of suggestion there. So not sure if it runs yet, but be using it very shortly. Okay, but again, it's great for putting on any of your papers, or because it's white. And the only thing that prints is the black, yeah, or the grey as well. So on tea stain papers, that would look fabulous. Yeah. Okay, right, so that's that. So hopefully you enjoy that. I know, I printed them. I've got a picture on my Instagram ages ago. Sorry, I haven't got it with me now. Is the circles, 2-inch circles, stickers. And I literally run that through the printer, and even the little ones, and, you know, it's even the sticker sheets, the full scat ones. You know, it's surprising what fun you can have with just printing those sort of things out to add a pop of colour to everything. I mean, I have got them printed somewhere, so I will be using those as well in my art journal and everything. So it's all for a bit of fun, really. Okay, thank you very much then, and speak to you soon. Bye bye.